Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Julie Ann Felicen.
What's your name again?
Julie Ann Felicen
Julie Ann Felicen. Okay, and you're from?
from Philippines,
Philippines. How old are you?
36 years old,
Okay, are you single or married?
single,
Single. Okay, when would you be able to start working?
anytime.
Anytime. You can start immediately.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
start next week.
Immediately. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yeah, I have relatives here. I have to meet you and have relatives.
Okay. So please describe your last job. What was your last job?
I'm also a housemaid nanny,
Housemaid and nanny. So what were your duties and responsibilities for your last employer?
all around.
All around. Uh, Such as you do cleaning?
Yeah, everything.
Cleaning, and how about the children? Do you look after children?
Yeah, I love
Okay, how many children were under your care?
two children,
Two children. How old were the children?
3.5 and 8 years old.
Okay. So did you cook for them?
Yeah, I'm just
Okay. So describe in details, how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedrooms, and the toilet? And which part of the house are you going to clean first? For
first,
example, the living room. Let's start with the living room. How do you clean the living room?
first I do the sink.
Dusting, okay?
Yeah, and then after that, I will to brushing the floor. After brushing the floor, I do mopping. After that, I will do vacuuming
Okay.
on the floor. Yeah,
Okay. So you will start with the living room. So which part of the house do you clean every day?
every downside and extra I do cleaning everything.
All parts.
Yeah,
All parts.
all parts.
Oh, okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'm just calling first to my employer before I go out before I accept who is the calling with my employer.
Okay, so you will
Yeah.
confirm with your
Yeah,
employer.
I just confirm first my employer before.
Okay, so good. Do you know, you said a while ago you can cook. What kind of food you can cook?
Okay. And if they want if they teach me how to cook the procedure, I can do it.
Okay, can you follow instruction and cook those?
Yeah.
Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children? Favorite activities with children?
Um, playing.
Okay, playing.
Yeah, playing, going to swimming.
Okay, playing and swimming. What do children like best about you?
Right?
What do they like about you?
They mostly they like me because I'm playing with them.
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
First, I will call my employer, and then I will tell that accidentally they have the baby is like this, they get a pain or accident, so they can come immediately to the place where I.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Sorry.
As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
What do you mean?
For example, he's asking for the knife, but he's going to play with it. Are you going to say yes or no?
No. Why
Yes,
I'm
of
saying
course.
it,
It's
yeah.
dangerous.
Yeah,
If it is
right. Very
dangerous for
dangerous.
the
Yeah, I just
child,
said that. It's
yeah,
very
you have to
dangerous.
say no.
Yeah.
Okay, the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child? There's a 3 hours gap. What will you do to entertain the child?
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I'll be
You're
the one
going to?
I'll be the one who uh, uh, go to her page
Mm-hmm. Are you
Yeah.
going to play with
Mm.
them or
Yeah.
help them with their
No, some,
assignments? What?
no. After his dinner, go upstairs and then take a bath and then go sleep.
Take a
Sometimes
and
because
then sleep.
yeah, because only in the really after the school in the
Mm-hmm.
evening and the afternoon I take to the place or play area and then when we come back we're
Okay.
to yeah cleaning and then my boss or my madam take
Okay.
to upstairs and then take a bath and then
Okay.
I'll get up yeah.
Mm-hmm. So describe yourself. Describe yourself. What qualities do you have that makes you a good housemaid and nanny?
I'm hardworking, honest,
Okay,
and
hardworking and honest. What
yeah,
else?
and,
Hardworking and honest. Okay. Give a
and
short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
what do you mean?
A short message for your future employer. Why should they hire you? For example, I'm your future employer. I will ask you, why should I choose you? As a nanny and as my housemaid and as a nanny for my children. What qualities do you have?
What type is for me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You said a while ago you're hardworking and honest.
Yeah.
You're a hardworking and honest person. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for MaidTV.com. Thank you.